So this is my dad's beer fridge right here. He's got some New Belgium Ben & Jerry's beer, chocolate chip cookie dough ale. That sounds disgusting. MGD, some Hacker, Peychaud, Weezer, Landshark, Elephant, Modelo, Shells, Red Nose, Rolling Rock, Grain Belt, Honeywise, Flat Tire, Stella, Sam Adams, and Moose Drool, along with water, pop, tea, wine, more pop, another Landshark, another Stella Artois, and some sangria and mixer stuff. So I'm gonna have a Rolling Rock. Rolling Rock. Smells kind of like a Corona, but also kind of like wet cereal. Battery's about to die. This is my beard. I'm gonna shave this up tonight. Tastes like the water in an ashtray after a storm. And peas. Not pee, but peas.